Hello guys, I'm Anshu, and I'm taking a problem of today, Geeks for Geeks. Today's problem is you are given an array of positive integer, which each element of ARR is represent the number of return on the ith ball, and the positive integer k. Your task is to determine whether the possible rearrange all the balls into the group in such tasks that each group contain exactly k balls and number of each group is a consecutive integer. This means that if the k ball is given two, then it should be arranged in two groups. If k ball will be given three, it should be arranged in three groups. And should be consecutive. That means it should be low to high. But here we can see that we have given 10 1 2 1 1, so it should be 1 2 then 10 11. So it be low to high, and it should be in two groups, because here they have given equals to 2, so it is in size of two groups. So it is true, it is become true. If it is not, then it will be false. So here we see the code. I'm using language Python. Here we see the from collection input counter. From counter we import the counter. Then we have seen the class solution. Then def valid group self. Here we take an integers array character. All character we have two variables. All variables we have to define here. So we have taken ARR as array and k as the integers. So here if then here we have taken if length ARR k. If length ARR k is percentage of k is not equals to 0, then return false. If the first condition, if the total number of balls can't evenly divided into group of size k, grouping is impossible, so return false. If this statement is false, if this statement is true, then it should be returned false, because if the number is odd, then automatically it will be not in the group. It will be given anything, will not. So here it will be written false. If it is true, if this condition will not match, then it will be come down in the counter array count. It will count the numbers, how many times the numbers are present. Like 10 is 1 times, 1 is 1 time, and 2 is 1 time, 11 is 1 time. So this will be counted. It's shorted key in shorted count. Shorted count here will be shorted in shorted. That means it will be shorted in 1 to low to high. So here we use for loop. In this for loop, each unique number num increasing order. For loop shorted key. In this, if frequency equals to count num, if frequency is greater than 0, only proceed if there are still some balls left with this number num. If there is some balls, then only it will be proceed. If there is no number, it will directly come to true. Then for I in range, we now try to form a group of k consecutive numbers starting from num. This inner loop handles the number num plus 1, num plus k, minus 1, so on. It will be like this. Then after that we have to group the numbers. If the count num is num plus 1 is less than frequency, it will return false. If less than frequency which we have to define that k. If it is not less than, it will return false. If it is that, in count m plus minus a frequency, it will be returned true. So like this we have in this code. You have to run. You run and see if it is any problem. If error is coming, then comment message. And here is the example. You can see here is the odd number, so directly it's false because the k is 2. It will be not divided into two equal parts. One will be left, so directly we can, it will be false.